Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can leverage trade on Bitunix. So let's get straight into it. Now first go to your profile. So right here next to it you will see the wallet. So what you need to do first, right here on the left side, go to the spot account and then hit the deposit that you will have enough money. Now what you need to do is go at the top right here to the futures, USDT M future. So click on this like so. And right here we are at the same place as we were in previous videos, but with one little twist. So right here at the right side, you will see in the future, you will see here 20x, 20x, green and red. So what that means, so click on this and you will see that this is basically the adjustment leverage. So right here you will set the margin leverage. So you can go from 1 to 200x. Right. Maximum openings are limited by leverage, available funds, and open position quantity. So you will need basically to have enough USDT that you can cover those uh, trades. And yeah, this is basically the leverage trading. So you need to know a little bit about also the isolated margin. So this is more risk limited to the specific single position. Then cross margin is all available funds in your futures account are used as collateral. This can reduce liquidation risk for individual positions, but risk your entire balance. So you will need to decide, and you need to know a little bit about those margins. So yeah, this is leverage trading and how to do that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.